I'm Gotham, and I'm a product manager here at Kaiterra, and I'm super excited to show you some of our new analytics capabilities. We spent a lot of time with our customers to understand what their biggest challenges were, and we heard things like, help me understand my air quality quickly and at scale because I've got thousands of devices in several buildings. Which buildings or floors may have issues, and is my air quality trending in the right direction? So to help you do this, we're introducing new analytics features and a redesigned app to help you navigate data and stay organized. Our new navigation is now a sidebar, which allows us to group our features and our tools into different categories. This makes it easier to find and easier to stay organized. All data browsing and data tools are now in the analytics section, and the first feature I'd like to show you today is called Time Within Targets. Time Within Targets is one of my favorite new analytical features. It's a summary view that crunches millions of data points and expresses air quality data as a percent of time, a percent of your operating hours, that you're meeting healthy building standards. And it does this at the portfolio level, at the building level for every floor, and of course at the space level. This would normally take you hours, if not days. You would have to download sensor data one by one and then analyze and crunch the numbers in Excel or in a BI tool because there's so much data. So this saves you a lot of time. We can do it now in just a matter of seconds. And you have full control to change the date range on the fly. And you can even change your operating hours and your operating days. So this way you could even do a scenario analysis and say, let's just look at Tuesday through Thursday because that's when people are coming to the office the most. So that only took a few seconds, and I can see really quickly by sorting each column, which is my worst performing building in terms of ventilation, CO2. And yeah, it's Kaiterra headquarters, so we could drill into that simply just by clicking the building, and then you can see the data by floor. And if I wanted to click into each floor to see all the spaces, it's as simple as clicking through. If I wanted to further analyze each space and to see the data changing over time, I can just click through to see our office. And yeah, like our office is pretty much having poor air quality during business hours. So probably when people are showing up to work. If I look at CO2 here, yeah, it's starting to climb around 8 a.m. and then getting worse by 10 a.m. And then it's not so healthy for the rest of the day. So just like that, I was able to drill down hundreds of devices and hundreds of spaces in just a few seconds to see a problem area. The next new analytics feature is simply called Trends, and Trends is similar to Time Within Targets in that air quality is expressed as percent time your air is good or bad, except here it's a time series, so you can see this data changing over time. You can look for trends. Maybe things are getting better, or things are getting worse, or maybe there is an issue just in the summertime. This is the analysis that you would use for that. You can change the time frame to whatever you like, and you can also change the grouping of time, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can still change the operating hours that you prefer, the hours of the day or the days of the week. So let's drill into our headquarters. And let's look at data for the whole quarter, so the last 90 days. And since that's a pretty big time span, I'm going to put it into a weekly grouping. So here you can see our our air quality by week of all the metrics taken together, the percent time that they were all within healthy targets. So percent time excellent, and the percent time fair or needs improvement. And you can see the last 2 weeks, we were 69% of the time excellent, and then this week 56% of the time excellent. So not super consistent in our office. I guess we should do better. If I wanted to drill into a particular metric like temperature, I can do that. And you can see here that the last 4 weeks, the office is pretty warm. It's warm 65% of the time for 3 out of the last 4 weeks. So that's not great, right? It's not comfortable most of the time. So we need to do better in our office, but this is an easy way to see our office performance over time and a really easy way to understand air quality, just percent of the time. Is it good or bad? I really hope you enjoy that quick demo of our new analytics features. We really think it's going to help you out and make your life easier, whether you're a facilities manager, making sure your building is performing up to standards, or a workplace experience professional comparing the performance across multiple buildings, or a teacher wondering if the air is good in their classroom. We've got you covered. If you have any questions, just reach out via email, support@kaiterra.com, and we're looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you.